So today we're gonna clean our IKEA couch. So you're supposed to just use these two things. So your vacuum and just a damp cloth in order to do this, according to IKEA. After you've done that, just with a damp cloth, just wipe it clean. And remember not to use any chemicals or anything like that, because that's not advertised here in IKEA. So this is the only way that you're supposed to clean this. Now the first time we cleaned these guys, we actually made the mistake of putting them to wash. So machine wash and dried them. So nothing happened to them. As you guys can see, nothing happened. However, it does say you're not supposed to do that. So we only did that the one time and then never again, just in case we don't want to screw around with the fabric or anything like that. I know this can get maybe old really fast if that happens. I'm not really sure. But we just assumed that you could do that because you guys can't take this off, right? So it seems like it's something that you can do, but according to IKEA's instructions, you're not supposed to. And that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you!